Welcome to the Academic Success Center at SUNY ESF. I'm Dr. Ali O'Mara, and I'm the coordinator of academic success here at ESF. I supervise the peer tutoring program, run academic skill-building workshops, and offer academic coaching sessions. You can meet with me in person or remotely, or we can have a walking coaching session outside. The Academic Success Center is your one-stop shop for all things academic support. Conveniently located in Moon Library, the Academic Success Center is where you will find peer tutoring for over 30 courses. These small group tutoring sessions are led by expert students and TAs who have experience with the courses you are taking. We also offer academic coaching, where you can take an inventory of your skills, learn to work with your strengths, and develop new strategies for learning. You will find our drop-in math center for math support in the ASC as well, and TA office hours for several courses. In addition, we host Study With Me groups for large lecture courses as well as specific student populations, such as neurodivergent students and students of color. Next door to the Academic Success Center are additional support services, including the Writing Resource Center, Public Speaking Lab, and the English for Speakers of Other Languages classroom. College is very different from high school, so we offer several workshops to help you build academic success skills. In these workshops, you can develop college study skills and time management skills, discover strategies for communicating with faculty, practice decreasing procrastination and increasing concentration, and learn many other skills as well. This slide shares the links and QR codes for several important services run through the Academic Success Center. You can sign up for peer tutoring, book an academic coaching session, discover success skills workshops, and register for a workshop. Take a screenshot or a photo of this slide so that you can take advantage of all that the ASC has to offer. We look forward to welcoming you down here soon.